Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to check transaction status in Sparrow Wallet. Sparrow Wallet is a powerful Bitcoin desktop wallet that connects to your own node or a public server and gives detailed transaction information. And it is a non-custodial wallet, meaning you control your private keys, no third party holds your Bitcoin, and it works smoothly with hardware wallet like Ledger, Treasure, and the Cold Card, including confirmations, mempool, status, free date, and transaction ID, TX ID. And here's how to check your transaction status step by step. In order to check your transaction status in Sparrow Wallet, first launch your Sparrow Wallet in a device and unlock your wallet. And after that, you can go to this transaction in the top left. Here you'll see a list of incoming transaction, outgoing transaction, dates, amounts, confirmation status. And you can also look at the confirmation column if you find any over here. And you can see the transaction ID, TX ID, fee paid, fee rate, size, inputs, and outputs replaced by fee RBF status as well. And check the bottom. That is it. This is how you can check your transaction status in Sparrow Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.